Welcome to the 5 most common comma errors presented by the Regent University Writing Lab. At the UWL, we help students understand the patterns in their writing. By understanding these patterns, you can improve your writing holistically. Today, we're going to discuss the 5 most common errors concerning commas that we found. While most students' work will not contain all 5, you can identify and eliminate these patterns in your own writing to become a stronger writer and self-editor. Error 1. A missing comma in a compound sentence. When two complete sentences are joined together by a coordinating conjunction, there must be a comma before the conjunction. These conjunctions include the words for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. You can remember these by using the acronym FANBOYS. For instance, Tina read Frankenstein, but she loved the Scarlet Letter more. Since both Tina read Frankenstein and she loved the Scarlet Letter more are independent clauses, which is a subject and a verb together, joined with a coordinating conjunction, you would need a comma to combine these two. Error 2. A missing comma with parenthetical elements. A parenthetical element is a phrase or a clause offset by commas that elaborates on the noun preceding it, but does not significantly change the meaning of the sentence. For instance, Peter, the oldest child, enjoys listening to the radio. Here, our parenthetical element is the oldest child, which describes the main subject. However, if you remove this phrase, the sentence would remain clear and complete. Peter enjoys listening to the radio still conveys the main meaning of the sentence. Since you can remove the phrase, you would need to surround it with commas to show that it's non-essential or a parenthetical element. Error 3. Unnecessary commas with an essential clause. Error 3 and 2 are opposites of each other. So in error 3, if you do have a phrase that significantly alters the meaning of a sentence, unlike the parenthetical element, you must remove these unnecessary commas. For instance, the pizzas that had only cheese were on sale. Here, the phrase that had only cheese is an essential clause to your sentence and does significantly alter the meaning of the sentence. Since only the cheese pizzas were on sale, this information would be necessary for your reader, and you would not need commas. Error 4. A missing comma in a series. In academic writing, you must include the Oxford comma. This is the comma before the last item in a series. For instance, at the Writing Lab, tutors help students with topic selection, organization, sentence structure, and grammar. In this example, you would need a comma after sentence structure. Error 5. The comma splice. A comma splice is the incorrect joining of two independent clauses with only a comma. In this case, a semicolon or period would be an appropriate form of punctuation. Alternatively, you could add in a conjunction after the comma like we saw in error 1. For instance, the cat jumped, the dog barked. Since these are both complete thoughts, you would need a different grammatical element, like this semicolon, to divide the sentences appropriately. The Writing Lab is here for you. We offer scheduled appointments, virtual walk-in sessions, and writing resources at www.regent.edu/writing. Thank you for watching and making the most of your Regent experience.